Don't have my husband coming for my neck, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. What is up? It is, I don't know what day it is. It is Saturday, October 7th, and it is currently 12:05, y'all. I'm feeling very productive today because I have recorded this me doing this hair, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I don't know how the quality of it was. I feel like from my studio lights and on my vanity, they give like a yellowish tone, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to correct that. So that video may or may not come depending on the quality. And I did my headshots, so I wanted to redo my headshots because I haven't had any new headshots since, yo, I want to say, let me look, I want to give you all the exact year because I felt like I was catfishing the people. Okay, I was a little skinnier. Who am I kidding? A lot skinnier. I had braces when I took that photo, so I just felt like it was time. Okay, it was time because I'm like, who is this person? Headshot. I hadn't had headshots done since, yeah, November 6th, 2019. Here it is. 2023, so 2021 to about 4 years. So it was definitely time for some headshots. And if you have not updated your headshots, this is your time now. I'm telling you, this is your sign to do your headshots. Okay, do your headshots. Go ahead and take them. Okay, I did mine at home. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I have not been on camera in a while, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I have not been on my Zoom, but let me tell you guys why, okay? Let's just have a seat. You have a seat too, okay? Sorry if the lighting changed. No, I have not fixed my camera. Okay, there it goes. But it's been crazy, okay? Let me tell you, crazy. Right when I was getting on my Zoom and I was doing all this recording and I was ready to do vlogtober, right? I wanted to do vlogtober. I'm like, you know what, my girl, all things Nelly, if you have not, make sure you go check her out. I'll put like her information right here and down in the description box below for you too. So go check my homegirl out, okay? She is on the journey to hit 1,000 and I see her channel is growing, so I'm definitely here for that. So definitely go check her out, go subscribe, tell the Jennifer sent you. So yeah, I was on my Zoom getting ready to do vlogtober. I'm like, okay, let's do this, okay? Like, let's do this. And then one Friday, I was at work, doing my work, and I had like this sharp pain in my lower abdomen and did not know what was going on. So before that I had graduation, so I was like, it was September. I think I'm editing that vlog. I'm gonna put that one up. So if it has not posted yet, don't worry, it's coming. So graduation vlog, did graduation, and then when we came home, somewhere in between this, I don't know, my weeks are getting all confused. But anyway, I was at work on a Friday. And I was off that Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, because it was the weekend of September 21st, somewhere like that, I think it was, yeah. Because Beyonce concert was next week, which I did go to the Beyonce concert too. But, back to the story, that Friday, or whatever. At work, had a very, very sharp abdomen pain. Like, I was like, oh my God, y'all, TMI, but I just thought I had to go to the bathroom. And then all of a sudden, so I just continued to do my work, and I'm just like, okay, maybe I just gotta go to the restroom, whatever. I had like an hour and a half left of work. Yo, I had such bad pains that I literally could not stand. I had to bend over. They were going through this, like, it really felt like somebody was just taking a knife on the inside of my stomach and just doing this all across the top. And then I was having sharp pains. Like that day I had sharp pains when I was trying to pee. That was really weird. And I had went to the doctor before, TMI. And she was like, oh, maybe it's just a kidney stone. I'm like, maybe it's, but then, you know, I didn't think, Jennifer, all you drink is water. Why would you have a kidney stone? But you know, I didn't put 2 and 2 together. I just kept going on about my day. Well, y'all, ended up going to the emergency room. Found out that I have something on my ovaries, and then one of them may have burst. And that was the cause of all the pain. So then I had to get pain medicine. Y'all, the pain was so bad that I was like, I was getting nauseous from the actual pain. That's how bad it was. And I was out. Like that took me out the next week because literally I was like trying to get my life back on track, then trying to take pain medicines, then not trying to take pain medicine, then trying to watch what I eat, then trying to watch what I do. And then we ended up going to the Beyonce concert, and it was good. Some people are gonna say this is debatable, but I don't feel like it was her best concert. And maybe it wasn't because I wasn't surprised by anything. And I probably wasn't surprised by anything because I had seen it all over social media. So, I don't know. I felt like her last one before this one was really good. I like that one. Top tier, baby. We had water, we had fire, we had lights in that one. This one I felt like was good. It just wasn't my broken nail long, my favorite. But yeah, so that happened, y'all, and I just feel like I'm just getting back to myself. I'm just not feeling like 100% me. Like it's been a lot. Okay, so that is the reason why I have not been on my Zoom. Okay, so that's the reason why, baby, because I've been out here fighting for my life. Okay, literally fighting for my life and trying to get it together. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. That's enough talking. We're 5 minutes this vlog and all I've been doing is talking. So yeah, let's get into this day. I do need to finish putting the sheets on the bed. I did wash the sheets and I have half the sheets on the bed, but I just need to finish making the bed. So let's get to it. Okay, and I need to eat because it's 12 o'clock and I have only ate breakfast and that was at 7. Okay, it's time to eat something. I could just drink a protein shake and just keep going on about my day because I want to be productive today and I want to get you out this video. So yeah, don't know if I'm gonna do vlogtober because like we're already October 7th. Could I do vlogtober even those the 7th?
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at
Hey guys, I'm back. So it is 2:31 and yes, it's the same day. I just changed shirts. I don't know if y'all can see that. Don't know if you can see this, probably a little bright, but anyway, it is the same day. I end up just changing my headband because I did this headband review in the video. I'm so happy. The quality, like the color, it worked out for me because in the beginning when I was recording I thought it was going to be a little yellow, but it wasn't, so I'm really excited about that. So I was like, oh, since I'm going to keep the video I need to take a thumbnail picture, so I had to change my headband back to what headband I had on and the shirt I had on. So here we are, but it's currently, like I said, 2:31. I need to put this up. Okay, you see these dishes? Put it up. I have dishes. Why? This is when I ate lunch. I had some little tacos, some chicken tacos, so I need to put all this up, y'all. Need my life together, so let's do that real quick. I can just throw this stuff in the dishwasher, but yeah.
You made us work. I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away. I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistake.
Hey y'all, so I have the food cooking in the crock pot. I'm making this, what I'm making y'all, this creamy chicken marsala. It usually has mushrooms, but I didn't add any mushrooms in there. So I'm letting that cook in the slow cooker for 3 to 4 hours on high, and then at the end of that 3 hours or 4 hours, just when the chicken's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add like some heavy whipping cream in that thing. Tasty, y'all, tasty. And so then for sides, I'll probably just make some rice. I'm really not sure what I want to make, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but we'll see, y'all. I lost another nail due to washing dishes. I usually wear gloves, which you probably can usually see if you, like when I'm doing like cleaning my dishes out or dishwasher or whatever. You probably seen in the last clip though, when I was rinsing my dishes off, putting in the dishwasher. They're usually there, but today I said I didn't want to because I've had these on for like, I want to say a week and a half now, so I'm satisfied, y'all. I wanted to wear this color, this week because this is the color that my bridesmaids wore. If I can kind of picture, I put it here. Well, not my bridesmaid, my matron and maid of honor wore. And if you guys don't know, me and my husband's anniversary is on October 16th, so it's coming up. So I'm just trying to be in the spirit, but I'm losing them because I want to change them because I want to have new nails for next week. I want to have the color that I wore for our engagement photos. So yeah, so making a little thing, y'all. But I got an Amazon package. I can't open it. Hold on. I'm back. And just in case y'all wonder, I still haven't fixed my camera. It just does what it want to do. Somehow I put it on some setting, y'all, and I don't even know how I did it. But I'm gonna have to watch like a video. I've been saying that for like 2 weeks now, but whatever. Anyway, but this came in the mail. This might be TMI, but I'm still gonna tell y'all. So, my girls, lean in close. My fellas, you can lean in closer too if you like. But the only reason I say fellas, you can lean in closer because you can tell your girl about this product. Nothing else, okay? Don't get it twisted. Don't have my husband coming for my neck, okay? But these are the I Love, they're called, can you see that? These, this brand is called like I Love. What this is for? Can y'all see that? This is for like disposing of your pads and your tampons, right? So you don't flush your, because people now, I don't know if y'all know, you're not supposed to, okay, it said you're not supposed to flush your tampons down the toilet because it can clog your toilet. So if you're wrapping them up in tissue, you're wasting tissue at this point in time. Now, tissue is hot, we ain't got time for that. So this right here, and sometimes if you wear pads, to someone wear pads, some people don't keep the pad wrappers, okay? You throw them in the trash when you put the pad on. So anyway, just in case you do all that. This right here, you actually just, see if I can get it closer for y'all. So you go ahead and you just pull it out the wrapper, and then you place like your tampon or your pad in there, and you seal it and you throw it in the trash. So yeah. So you don't have to flush your tampons down the toilet and clog your toilet up. Even when you go to a restaurant, and then if you're out and about too, because honestly, my mother always raised me that nobody should know when your cycle is on. Okay, nobody should know. Should always be discreet. And nobody should know. They shouldn't smell you. They shouldn't see like your pad wrappers in the trash can. None of that jazz. So it was wrapped in plastic, and then it's sealed again. Ew. Oh. So yeah, I ordered these because, you know, my job has them where you can do that, but then I didn't have any at home, so. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it's huge, right? Open it up. Then you can say it's like, what is that? I love clean disposable bag. Oops. There we go. So it's real clean. So like it says, do not throw this bag down the toilet, but you can just fit your pad in here, your tampon, and you just politely roll it up and you seal it. So pretty cute and discreet, and you just throw it in the trash can like this. And if they see this side in the trash can, men wouldn't know what it is anyway. Women, you know. But I thought these were really cute. They are OXO biodegradable sanitary disposable bags. So yeah, you can use these just for clean disposal of intimate or sanitary products. So they also say you can get rid of like condoms in here and P-Buddy. I don't know what a P-Buddy is. I guess because I don't use one, I don't know what a P-Buddy is, but you can put one in here. So I got 4 of these. They came in a pack, 4 packs of 15. So this, get you some of these. You gotta get you some of these. Get you some of these. Hey guys, so it is later on in the evening. It's currently 7:05 p.m. I'm getting ready to wind down. Hubby's here. You want to say hey? You want to say hey?
Hey.
Don't be anti. But yeah, so if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. But I decided to end this vlog because the last couple of vlogs, I have not been into them. It's just been cut off. So I'm going to end this here. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.